Living paycheck to paycheck is a constant struggle. It's a cycle that can feel impossible to break. You work hard for your money, but it seems to vanish as soon as you get paid. Bills pile up, and unexpected expenses feel like major setbacks. It's a source of constant worry and stress. The fear of losing your job or facing a medical emergency can be overwhelming. You might feel like you're barely keeping your head above water. This way of life can take a toll on your mental and physical health. It's time to break free and take control of your finances. You deserve to live a life free from financial worry. It's not easy, but it's definitely possible. With determination and a plan, you can break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and achieve financial peace. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions of people have been in your shoes and successfully turned their finances around. Let's take the first step together. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Constant financial stress can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders. It can affect every aspect of your life, from your sleep to your relationships. Worrying about money can keep you up at night, leaving you feeling exhausted and drained. This chronic stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. It can also lead to unhealthy coping mechanisms such as overeating or withdrawing from loved ones. The strain of financial worries can put a strain on your relationships, leading to arguments and resentment. It's important to remember that you don't have to face these challenges alone. Talking to someone you trust about your financial struggles can provide emotional support and help you feel less isolated. Seeking professional guidance from a financial advisor or counselor can provide valuable strategies for managing stress and improving your financial well-being. Remember to prioritize self-care during this journey. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you relax. Taking care of your mental and physical health is crucial as you work towards financial freedom. The first step to breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is understanding where your money is going. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Write down every dollar you spend, no matter how small. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back. Look for unnecessary expenses, such as subscriptions you don't use or eating out too often. Creating a budget is essential for taking control of your finances. List all your sources of income and your monthly expenses. Prioritize essential expenses such as housing, food, and transportation. Allocate funds for savings and debt repayment. Having a budget allows you to make conscious decisions about your money and ensure that your income is aligned with your financial goals. Remember, creating a budget is not about deprivation, but about making informed choices that support your long-term financial well-being. Section 4. Building a brighter future. Saving, earning, and growing. Building an emergency fund is crucial for breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. Start small by setting aside a small amount from each paycheck. Increase your savings as you become more comfortable with your budget. Having an emergency fund provides a financial safety net for unexpected events, such as job loss or medical bills. It prevents you from going into debt when faced with unforeseen circumstances. Explore opportunities to increase your income. Consider taking on a side hustle or seeking a higher-paying job. Negotiate a raise or explore freelance opportunities in your field of expertise. Increasing your income allows you to accelerate your debt repayment and reach your financial goals faster. Remember, every extra dollar you earn can be directed towards building a more secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Section 5. Your journey to financial freedom. Embrace the challenge. Breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is a journey that requires effort, discipline, and a positive mindset. Celebrate your small wins along the way. Acknowledge your progress and appreciate how far you've come. Don't be afraid to seek support from financial experts. Consult with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your circumstances. Attend workshops and seminars to enhance your financial literacy. Remember, you're in control of your financial destiny. By taking small, manageable steps, you can achieve financial freedom and live a life of abundance and peace of mind. Start today and embrace the transformative journey towards a brighter financial future.